Let's make breakfast tacos.
Avocado.
Now I need ingredients. I'm going to be using my leftover
Tortillas that I made the other day. And I have an avocado, which I'm pretty sure it's very ripe right now. So I'm gonna make a guacamole, like a quick one. And I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs, cheese. I think that's it. So let's get the ingredients. Avocado.
I got my tortillas here. I had made whole wheat tortillas,
Which is
good. Eggs and lemon for guacamole. I'm gonna get a jalapeno. Cheese, some cream cheese, jalapeno, and a tomato.
oh, onion.
And half a red onion. So let's start cooking. I'm gonna add this entire tomato. It's a half a tomato. Let's crack some eggs now. Gonna do individual omelets, sort of, and then I'm gonna assemble. Oh, I need to reheat my bread to get the cheese melty too. Maybe I should do that one first. Let's show. Pan for the eggs. A pan for reheating the bread and cheese. I'm gonna make 3. I'm gonna preheat these 3, but this is what I'm gonna do. Add the cheese here and sort of like get it melted in the pan. These videos are gonna turn out very funny. I know these videos are very chaotic. My kitchen is very small. I can't place the camera like I want to. It makes it harder for me to shoot while I'm cooking. I guess I'll learn in time. We'll see. One last bit of salt. Now it's time to assemble. Gonna open up my bread. Spoon, little sriracha, and little mustard. No, it's not traditional, but this is the first one ready. I got the cream cheese, but I didn't add any because I forgot. Now I've got the guacamole. Breakfast tacos ready. Welcome to taste test. Oh, I forgot the microphone on the other side. Anyway, here's my big breakfast taco. Taste test. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. I would like it to be more cheesy, I think. Mmm. Very good.